Hi, this is Molly with Garden Wise Adventures, and I just wanted to do a very short video. I know I said I wasn't going to be posting until January so I could enjoy the holiday season, but I walked into my grow room this morning to find something really exciting that I wanted to show you. Let me show you what's going on here. So I've turned off the lights for a minute just so that you can see a little bit better. For some reason the grow lights seem to give a weird striped effect in the video, but these are my Roselle plants. It's a fully edible hibiscus, a tropical plant, and I was growing it outdoors as an annual this year. And just as it started to get ready to flower, it was time for the hard frost. So I took some cuttings, this was back in September, and brought them inside to see if I could root the cuttings. I put 2 in each pot, and each one has grown. And they've not only grown, look what is happening. These are buds that have formed since they've come inside my home. So this one is flowered. This one right here flowered also. Let me get you a little closer. But the flower fell off before I could get a picture. And the calyx is starting to form. Now the calyx is what I was growing the Roselle for. The calyx, once it gets fully ripe and red, you can pop it off and use it to make teas and stuff like that. Or you can save the seeds from it. I'm not sure if here under grow lights with the fertilizer that I'm giving it and the water that I'm giving it, if it'll actually fully mature, but this has gone way beyond what I had hoped. So I just wanted to share this short update with you, and I hope your holidays are going beautifully, and we'll see you in January.